hunt is on to find Britain's new rarest 50p.
That's right. Now, we have been searching high and low for the Salmon 50p since it was released last year, but it's just been announced that only a tiny number of these coins actually entered circulation.
That's right. In fact, the 2023 Salmon 50p has officially knocked the Kew Gardens 50p off the top spot, meaning for the first time in 15 years, we now have a new rarest 50p for collectors to look out for.
You know what? Collectors are going to be in such a frenzy, desperately scouring their change to get their hands on this rare beauty before it's too late.
Yeah, and a lucky few have already struck gold, listing their Salmon 50p coins on eBay for as much as between £23 and £50. Now that's more than 50 times its face value.
Not a bad return for 50p. But you can be sure that these prices will skyrocket after today's announcement. Just think of the Kew Gardens 50p, which regularly sells for £150 to £250 in the secondary market. And even this hit the dizzying heights of £1,000 before.
That's insane. But if you thought the Kew Gardens 50p was the ultimate collector's item, think again, because the new Salmon 50p is hot on its tail. And the best news is you could have one in your pocket right now.
Absolutely. And you think, while the Kew Gardens 50p has had 15 years for collectors to squirrel it away, the Salmon 50p is fresh out of water, so this means that you could have the chance to snap up the UK's rarest coin.
Now imagine if you had grabbed a Kew Gardens 50p back in 2009, knowing how prized it would become. Now the Salmon 50p offers you a second chance at coin collecting glory.
Exactly, and they only entered circulation in November 2023, so collectors have had less than a year to actually snap these ones up, meaning that your odds of finding one in the wild are still pretty good right now.
Yeah, now with this tiny mintage figure, the new king of coins firmly takes the throne, leaving the Kew Gardens 50p in its wake.
So the race really is on to track one down.
Yeah, now if you're one of the lucky few who have found a Salmon 50p in your change, do let us know in the comments where you found it, because we'd love to know where they're popping up all up and down the country.
And if you haven't had any luck yet, don't forget that you can always secure the brilliant uncirculated version in the new UK coinage set, which includes all 8 new coin designs from the 1p up to the £2. And what's more, the coins in this set also include that special privy mark, which sets them aside from the coins that you can find in your change. So if you do want to get your hands on that one, then go ahead and click the link in the description. Now good luck to everyone on your hunt for the new UK's rarest coin. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Best of luck!